Is your SQLite Project apps broken by the SQLite3 ODBC Driver DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows Systems Specialist. Let's walk through the automated process to fix your installation. As we prepare to fix SQLite3 ODBC Driver manually, consider the professional maintenance path for a more stable workstation. This is the SQLite3 ODBC Driver, the ODBC Open Database Connectivity Driver for SQLite. It allows legacy business software, like Excel or Access, to connect to SQLite databases using standardized SQL queries. If missing, specialized accounting or reporting software will report data source name not found and no default driver specified. Since we've covered what this file is, let's move to the primary fix. The presence of SQLite3 ODBC Driver DLL is mandatory for SQLite Project to initialize the engine, and a full reinstallation of your main application suite with the error will resolve the error by deploying a fresh copy of the library. If you're still seeing the missing file notification, we should attempt to force a synchronization between the software and the OS. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including SQLite3 ODBC Driver. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. With the restart confirmed as ineffective for this instance, let's analyze the registry settings next. If you need to pause the video while navigating the registry editor, feel free. If you're still getting the missing interface error after the reboot, let's re-register the file in the system hive. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, type regsvr32, followed by your file name causing the error, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, legacy interfaces require an active registry entry to be recognized by the OS. Registering the file creates the necessary pointer for the software to initialize the component. For a clean and stable recovery, it's important to stay within verified developer ecosystems. Safety first, never attempt to replace SQLite3 ODBC Driver DLL with files found on random download portals. These sites lack quality control and often distribute files that are incompatible with modern Windows updates. Using a professional maintenance utility is a proactive step toward keeping your system state healthy and your software synchronized. To help prevent productivity interruptions, the diagnostic tool below provides informational guidance on keeping SQLite3 ODBC Driver synchronized. If this fix repaired SQLite3 ODBC Driver dependency issue, please like the video and subscribe to stay informed on maintaining a secure and stable PC.